Welcome to the 2025 Florida RV Super Show. Today we're here with Tim of Gulfstream, and he's going to show us this new rig.
Hi everybody, sure happy to have you guys and all of your people that we're talking to right now to come see our new vintage cruiser by Laura Ashley. Laura Ashley is over in Great Britain. They got with us and decided that we were the coolest thing out there that they could partner with, and this is what we came up with: a lightweight fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass from the front all the way to the rear wall unit that allows you to go down the road with minivans, Jeeps. Heck, this is so lightweight, I bet you could tow it with a bicycle built for two. That's how lightweight this is. But what's neat is the color. When you walk around this great show here, you're going to see all these travel trailers and motor homes and fifth wheels and toy haulers, and they're all going to look beautiful in their white and gray. But where you're going to find a Laura Ashley blue, or a vintage teal, or a vintage red, or a vintage woody like the old station wagons, it's got 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, full bath, full bedroom, full beds, full dinettes. Even this coach has a sofa in it, yet you can still take this little lightweight unit down the road with your SUV. That's what's neat. Look at these moon rims. How many travel trailers have you seen today with moon rims? I don't think so.
Right.
And not only are those moon rims cool, but it gives me the place to shave when the wife's using the bathroom.
Right.
I'm just saying. You have safety steps. The safety steps are the best thing in the RV business. Why? Because not only is it safer, the safety steps, but now it acts like 2 more stab jacks. So instead of just jacks at the 4 corners, you've got 2 in the middle. This coach stays nice and steady instead of rocking and rolling. It's outstanding.
All right, starting with the outside here, you have your furnace, cable, antenna hookup, regular outlets, and you have a mount here for a TV if you want to mount a TV outside, and there is speakers on the outside. You have a nice size awning, electric, some storage up front here, pass through with lights inside, propane tanks up front, electric power jack. This is for your potable water. Over here we have the power hookup, water heater in the back, satellite and cable hookups here, your city water connection, on the back you have a nice window and a camera.
Let me take you inside.
Okay.
So now you're on the interior of the 23 RSS Laura Ashley. What's really cool is look at the fabrics, look at the window treatments, look at the bedroom design up front. It's Laura Ashley to the nth degree. And you get the great 8 cubic foot fridge. This is magnificent. And freezer. Look how deep that is. It goes all the way back.
Very nice.
You can put almost everything from home in here and take off. What's really sharp too is this huge kitchen. 3-burner stovetop with the Laura Ashley pot. You've got the oven sitting here, and it's also lighted with a night light. You've also got all this extra storage, huge storage area to put all your pots and pans and everything you need. Besides, up top, I mean, there's storage everywhere inside this unit. An extra sofa so that you can hang out. You can sleep in that sofa, you can sleep in that dinette. You can hang out in the front queen bed, which also we make it with a twin bed option that turns into a king. And then we don't all go to bed at the same time, do we?
No.
So when somebody's ready to go to bed in this unit, you walk back here and say, "Good night, honey," and you shut the bedroom door.
Nice.
And now you've got a private bedroom. This is the shortest unit in the RV business with a private bedroom.
Okay.
There's 6 USB ports hiding in here so that you can plug in. It's a 15,000 AC BTU. That's what you're putting in those big 35 footers out there. We do it on this unit. We're doing everything you get on a big unit in here. Private bath, vanity, shower, queen bed, walk around queen bed. And there's something really cool about this one. Everybody puts their on their bumper their spare tire.
Right.
We don't, because that spare tire is just going to rot and go away. We put our spare tire right down here underneath the floor in its own compartment.
Oh, very nice.
So now the day you need it, it's brand new, not dry rotting out in the
And
weather. And the other nice thing is nobody's going to steal it. And on top of that, think about where the weight is. It's putting the weight in the middle of the coach, under the floor, instead of on the back end, bouncing the heck out of you. That's where it should be. TV hookup in the bedroom, TV hookup in the family room, and then you can take that TV hookup and put it, as I said, outside under the awning. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
My wife wants these at home.
Looking for a fast setup solution for winter camping? Airskirts is the perfect way to keep cold air away from the undercarriage of your RV, keeping your rig warmer while cutting down on heating costs and helping to keep pipes from freezing. Airskirts are made from a military-grade material designed to resist punctures. It takes less than an hour to set them up, a time saver compared to traditional skirting or foam board. This is the quickest, most hassle-free option for winter camping, and you don't have to drill into your rig. The Airskirts fit snugly because they are customized to fit your rig for maximum air blockage. They also carry a variety of additional accessories to ensure a warm and cozy winter in your RV. Visit airskirts.com and use our promo code John and Mandy at checkout for a discount.
So if you have any questions at all, please go to The Vintage Cruisers on Facebook. Ask your questions there. We'll all be happy to help you. We're the largest family-owned RV company in America. Gulfstream Coach, 40 years in business, and we expect to be around for another 40. I hope you'll consider our product and come visit and see us here at the Florida show.
Thanks a lot for showing us around, Tim. We appreciate it.
Thanks for coming. We appreciate it.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.